everyone, it's Christy here. I just wanted to pop on really quick and share with you the awesome new kit, Show and Tell by Feed Your Craft. This is my first kit as a creative team member, and I'm excited to share it with you. This kit was designed by Brandi Kincaid. It has cards, a stamp set, and then a bonus item of sticker sheets, which I'm really excited to use. It also comes with a digital printable, which I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to show you a few extra things that I ordered this month. So I think we'll start with this stamp set. The stamp set is really fun, and it might even get me to start stamping. I not only love all the little icons that are applicable for everyday life, but I'm loving the little tiny words as well and phrases. So my favorite is use your words, because I am going to say that I feel like a lot to my kids in the next few years. Use your words, explain yourself, that sort of thing. So, and then the what a character as well, just when somebody's doing something really goofy or that sort of thing. But just an episode, movie night, write it on your heart, spoiler alert, this story of my life also is going to be used tons and tons. So I'm really excited about that. And I really like this, that it has the spots for journaling or stamping too. So that's really cool. You can put a date stamp in there. You could put this stamp inside and then these little phrases inside. So lots of possibilities. And these icons and images repeat in the kit as well. So it's really fun. All right, next up, I'm going to just quickly show the stickers. So this is a bonus item included with the kit this month, and it's 2 sticker sheets. They're about 4 by 6 or a little bit larger than that. My math's not quite right, but I love the phrases and the colors that are included. There's not a ton of this purple in the cards, so I'm excited to see that showing up in the stickers. But these are really good quality stickers. The cutting on these stickers is really good quality, and I'm loving these rectangles too with the little white border. So I'm going to use a ton of those in my projects for this month. And then there's a ton of cards included in the kit, and you also get the digital cards, so you can print off as many as you'd like. I've already printed off tons and tons of these. I like cutting them up and changing them a little bit too to fit my project. So you'll see that as well. But these are single-sided. On the reverse for this month, the dot is like a nice blue color. So tune in with a little headphone cord, show and tell, typewriter. Every true story is a never-ending story. Loving the font on that card. This one is one of my favorites. It's got these cute little tickets and then the pops of color. So I just really love that. Listen up with the megaphone. Lots of quote cards. Brandi likes her words and quotes. So stories can conquer fear. You know they make the heart bigger. This is one of my favorite cards too. It's an orange and pink stripe, and I just am envisioning all the possibilities in making this like a filler card, adding a stamp or a sticker, that sort of thing. Typewriters, loving the colors. Popcorn, so fun. Love this episode. I'm gonna print off a tiny little photo. It's probably going to be Care Bears, which is so embarrassing, but my daughter loves Care Bears at the moment, so tiny little Care Bear photo and put it in there. I think would be cute. Everything I've learned from a movie. So those are the 3x4s, and then the 4x6, watching while I work. So much of what I see reminds me of something I read in a book. When shouldn't it be the other way around? Movie night. Again, just loving her script. Records. I love all those fun pops of color. This is my story, and love these scenes from life. So this is the kit. This is what you'll receive when you buy the physical kit. Lots of great cards, and the stamp set is unbelievable this month, and I'm loving the stickers. Another fun feature is that when you order the kit, you get the digital cards as well, but you also get this month digital embellishments. So this is one that I have printed or have had printed from Staples. So the colors aren't, I find the colors aren't like perfect. I'm just comparing this yellow because this yellow is kind of standing out to me. So you can see that the cards from Feed Your Craft are much brighter than what was printed here at Staples. So that's the fault of Staples, not of Feed Your Craft. But I'm loving this because it includes 4 other cards, 3x4 cards, and then this circle embellishments, and then the labels, which are my favorite, and then these fun little label booklet thingies as well. I'm not sure what you call these, but it was super easy to pull this into the Silhouette Studio and make these into a cut file. So I'm just going to show you really quick that I've cut some of the pieces, and I'm excited to use those. In addition to the kit this month, I also made a purchase of some alpha stickers and journaling tags. So I'm going to quickly share those with you. So when Elise posted these, I knew I had to have these. These sell for $2.50 in the shop, and it's shipping tags, library cards, and guest checks. I've seen Elise use the guest checks before, and I thought they were super fun. So my husband and I have a trip to San Francisco here coming up, and we're going to eat and eat and eat. And so I'm going to use these, I think, a lot in our mini album, that I'm going to create. But my favorite are these library cards, and they're really thick and sturdy material. And another project on my to-do list is a book mini album, so I hope to use those, or even just a trip that we take to the library. I think that'd be really fun to include. And then these nice shipping tags, which are a nice neutral, so I'm going to use those in projects as well. And then lastly, I bought 2 of the alpha sets. She stocks in store by Pink Fresh Studio. These have a ton of the letters, but also I love that they have a ton of the numbers, which I'm always after when I do my weekly project life spreads. So the colors match really well with this month's kit, especially this pink, which I'm super excited about because I did not see the kit before purchasing. But I got the navy and the pink. There are other color options in the shop, so check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Any purchase that you make through my link, I get a small commission, so I really appreciate that. Check out the shop, Feed Your Craft, shop.feedyourcraft.com, or click on the link below. That would be great. So if you have any questions also about the cutting of these embellishments, feel free to leave me a comment. I might do a video in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm really excited to be on the team. Thanks so much. Bye.